This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming essentials so you can act immediately. Pick a hostinger plan that fits traffic and budget, then register or point your domain. Once done, log into hPanel and use Auto Installer to install WordPress. This creates your database and admin user automatically. Make strong admin credentials and save them. After the installer completes, you'll land in the WordPress dashboard. That's your control room, so don't skip logging in to verify site basics and permalinks. Now you'll shape functionality and look. Start by picking a fast theme and create a child theme before editing CSS so updates won't overwrite changes. Next, install plugins, an SEO plugin, caching, security, and a backup solution. Activate and run basic setups. Configure permalinks to /%postname% / for readable URLs, build main pages like About, Contact, and a blog index, and define categories. Once these are in place, preview mobile and desktop layouts, and tweak spacing and typography until it feels cohesive. You're ready to launch. Enable SSL in hPanel and force HTTPS across the site so browsers trust your blog. After that, run speed tests and address slow elements, compress images, enable caching, and consider a CDN for global reach. Make a full backup and schedule automatic updates for WordPress, theme, and plugins. If something breaks, restore the snapshot and check the site error log. Common issues are plugin conflicts or PHP version mismatch. So switch PHP versions or disable new plugins to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.